So there's one thing that I'm seeing in the real estate investment community. It's like, I guess it's the new finesse that's going on right now. And it's something that's happening amongst these real estate mentors or mentorships. And I'm not saying that all mentors are bad. I think everybody, especially in real estate, should have some sort of a mentor on their side to help them, especially if they're new. But unfortunately, a lot of these mentors don't have your interest at heart. It is more so about the money. All right, that's why everybody gets into real estate, is to make money. But how these guys are making money, it's borderline. I mean, it's unethical, but at the same time, if they aren't tied to licenses, it doesn't matter. And if it's an investment deal, it doesn't matter. There's nothing that nobody can do. It's technically not fraud. It kind of falls on probably legally the mentee's fault, right? But let me explain what exactly is happening here. So if you have a mentor that's mentoring you in real estate investing, and that mentor comes to you and says, "Hey, I got this deal that you should buy," that should raise a question. Because if it's such a good deal, why aren't you buying it, right? Anybody that is a bona fide real estate investor that invests full time or that has been doing this for a while, if it's a good deal, they're going to jump on it. No, they're not going to want anybody else to get it. Okay. So what's happening is these investors these mentors are bringing deals to their mentees who, a lot of them, they don't know any better, and getting them to buy these deals. Okay. Now, I've been getting a lot of emails, text messages, phone calls of people that are looking to get unfucked from a lot of these things. And, unfortunately, once you get to the end of the rehab, it's almost impossible, to unfuck some of these things. They have to sit on the market, or they have to be rented out until they can, unfuck themselves, essentially. So they'll sell you a deal and they'll backdoor the margins. Okay. Now, let me explain how that works. And like I said, I've gotten different phone calls, like, where people are just buying these deals and they're just bad deals. But just to give you an example, I talked to somebody earlier, and if somebody hits me up, I can always investigate these deals. I've been doing this for so long, I can go and I can look up and figure out what happened with this deal. So let me give you an example. A home was purchased, okay, for $120,000. Let's just say in November. Come January, February, the home was then resold for like 170, 180 to the mentee. Okay. Now that is backdooring the margin, especially when you have an ARV of like 300, 320, 350. Okay. So what these guys are doing is they're saying, "Hey, that deal you got? I know somebody that'll pay 50,000 over what you paid. You don't got to do no work. You can make an easy 50K, or cut me in 10, cut me in 20." And then they're backdooring the margin to these mentees, and these mentees have no idea, because a lot of them don't know how to go look at the tax records and look up these deals and see exactly what's going on with these properties. So in this particular case, that's what happened. They didn't take out the entire margin, but they took out, $50,000-$60,000 out of what could have been on the other side for the mentee to have extra playroom and to cut prices, or to do extra renovations with that $50,000 in extra margin. Okay, so that's something that I'm seeing. Is of course, if somebody has a mentor, for the most part, they have no idea what they're doing. They want to learn. They probably genuinely want to learn how to do this thing, but that's what these guys are doing. They'll charge you money to be their mentor, and then they'll backdoor you with these deals that they probably bought, or somebody they know bought, that can't rehab it, doesn't want to rehab it, hasn't gotten around to it. They bought it at a messed up price, so then they swing it to you for an even more messed up price, just to make more money. Essentially, that's all they're doing, right? So if they're charging you $5,000 for a mentorship, but then they're swinging you a deal that their homeboy got, they're making $10,000 off that. Well, now they're gonna make $15,000 in a month or 2 weeks or a week fairly quickly. So it's a lot of that going on right now, and unfortunately, it's leaving bad taste in people's mouths. And let me tell you what else they're doing to justify. They're bringing bullshit numbers, right? So they tell you, "Oh, you can get this much for the house, put this much into it." And the thing is, you really can't trust anybody's numbers. You got to go and look yourself, right? Because when they bring me these deals, I go and look at it. I'm like, "Oh yeah, you got backdoor. Like this shit is off by like 150,000. Now the mentor could be completely fucking incompetent, or they just are trying to upsell you to get to milk you, to get money out of the deal. Okay. So, like I said, unfortunately, these things happen, and I had a mentor. Like I said, I had good experiences with the mentor that I had, but the reason being was because probably I didn't have to pay the guy. All right, I was able to help him. He was able to help me. And that's how we rocked out, right? Like I had a real estate license. He had a real estate license, but he just didn't like doing paperwork and all that extra like agent shit. So I said, look, I'll do it. I'm young. I got the energy. He's like, all right, cool. I'm too old for that shit. So he taught me what he knew. I helped him out on this side with the paperwork, and I would list the property, take the phone calls, send him the offers, like stuff like that. So I was able to help him, and he helped me, right? But what's happening is, the real estate game, it's a dirty game. It's a fucked up game. The people are fucked up. They are, they're vultures, right? Especially in wholesaling and real estate investment, people will go around you. They'll call your clients. If you have a wholesale deal, they'll call the owner of that just to get, they'll try and snake you out of these deals. Like, you know what I mean? So it's not even too far fetched for some of these mentors to backdoor people's margins. It's just a part of the game, and unfortunately, a lot of people got to learn this way, and it's messed up. But all in all, people have asked me, am I going to make a real estate course? And here's the honest to God truth when it comes to a real estate course. Every deal will never be the same. Okay, even people that's been in the game for a while are still learning new things every deal. So it's kind of hard to say, all right, well, this is real estate investing, boom, 101, and it can give you a baseline, but it will not prepare you for the real world and the things that really happen in real estate investing. Like I said, you gotta know how to be able to take a deal and backtrack. Like anytime people send me these deals, I can backtrack and I can tell you everything that went wrong, from the mentor backdooring the parts of the margin, okay, and then you overproduced the product, and then you didn't pay attention to the things that should have been paid attention to make sense for that market or for that area, right? Even all the way to the fact where it's like, you have some areas that are mostly like rental areas. Like people may not, people buy homes everywhere, but it may not be the volume where people are buying homes and flipping homes in those areas, but mostly people are buying homes in that area to rent out because it's an area where it's a lot of renters. Okay, like all of these things matter. And unfortunately, these mentors, they're exploring all of those unknowns that people have, and they're able to pull money out of these things, right? So, like I said, I just wanted to just put that out there. One skill you should have is to be able to reverse engineer a real estate deal. Learn where and how to look up tax records. That will tell you the start of the bullshit, okay? If somebody's selling you a deal, you can go and look on the tax record to see how much they paid for it. And you don't need a license to pull up the state tax records, right? So that way you'll know, okay, they're trying to upsell me $50,000. Like, bro, you paid $125 for that deal. Why you charge me $170? And you can either negotiate or whatever, But I just wanted to give y'all a heads up because, I see a lot of good people that are getting fucked over that, they don't, and they don't know. I don't expect them to know, because if you're new, you're new. You don't know. You're not going to know until the end. Once you figure out and look at the numbers and see that what you wanted actually, or what you were told was going to happen, actually isn't.